Today we are making Kootu, a South Indian lentil stew using the infamous bottle gourd. Delicious with coconut milk and lentils. This is the ultimate side dish. Bottle gourd kootu. Ingredients: bottle gourd, lentils, small green chillies, shallots, garlic, grated coconut, dried red chillies, curry leaves, mustard seeds, cumin, turmeric, and clarified butter. Oh yes. This is a bottle gourd. It looks like a zucchini and it has quite some hard skin. Remove the skin by peeling it off and also remove all the seeds. It would remind you of some honeydews, the texture of the skin when it's raw, so it's quite hard. So chop them into small pieces and once it's done, soak them in some water. This is called Sorakai in Tamil and it's known for absorbing the flavor of whatever gravy that you cook it in. It's really good for your health. Moving on, we are preparing some shallots and some dried red chilies. This is all going to be used for sauteing in a while. The next ingredient to prep is the grated coconut. About half a cup with half a cup of boiling water. Grind it until you see some rich, thick coconut milk. Strain it in a mesh sieve and you will get thick coconut milk, the original real deal. Heat a pot and add 2 cups of water. We are going to boil the lentils. We're using malawi dhal. It's one of the many kinds of Indian lentils. You can find them in any shop that sells these kinds of Asian ingredients. Green chilies, garlic, some turmeric for color and for health reasons, some oil and salt. Mix it all together and bring it to a boil on a high flame. It would take just a few minutes. Once it comes to a boil, reduce the flame to medium and let that cook for 15 to 20 minutes till the lentils have become soft. In another pot, heat some ghee, clarified butter. It's delicious. Add the mustard seeds, the cumin, dried chilies, the shallots, and also add in the curry leaves. Once it's done and golden brown, add in the bottle gourd and give it a good mix. This would take 1 to 2 minutes. Add some turmeric. Add some salt. That's a lovely color, isn't it? Turmeric always makes everything look so good. Now add in the softened boiled lentils along with the liquids that remain and top it up with some water until you've covered up just enough of all the vegetables. Bring that to a boil and then simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. Once it's simmered, it should look like this. Make sure that you stir from time to time to prevent browning at the bottom of the pot. And once it's thick, add in the coconut milk and the rest, we'll just let it simmer into creamy, delicious goodness. Once that step is done, boil it for another 5 to 10 minutes and taste the vegetable. If it's good and soft but still has a bite, al dente, then it's ready to serve. I like to serve it with a fresh stalk of curry leaf and also add in some melted ghee or clarified butter. Now that's delicious. Sorakai Kootu, bottle gourd lentil stew. It goes well with rice, chapati, dosa, or even idli. Enjoy, like and subscribe and share my videos. Have a nice day.